Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reset your WordPress password using phpMyAdmin. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive right in. First off, log into your hosting account dashboard. You're looking for the phpMyAdmin option, usually under the Databases section. Click on that. This will open phpMyAdmin in a new tab. Next, find your WordPress database. If you have multiple databases, you'll need to identify the correct one. Once you've found it, click on it to expand the tables list. Now look for the table named WP_users. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all your site's users. Find your username and click Edit next to it. Here's the tricky part. Look for the user_pass field. This is where your password is stored, but it's in a hashed format. You need to convert your new password to a hash. Open a new tab and search for a MD5 hash generator. Type your new password into the generator and hit Generate. Copy the hash it gives you. Head back to phpMyAdmin and replace the existing value in the user_pass field with the new hash you just copied. Make sure the function column next to it is set to MD5. Then, hit Go at the bottom of the page to save your changes. And there you have it. Your password is now reset. You can log into your WordPress admin with your new password. Easy peasy, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WordPress tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.